Hello. The lighting's not so good here. Packing up my tarot cards. I use these, they're not actually tarot cards, they're oracle cards by my friend Haley Claire. They're called, I don't know if you can see it, Shadows of Light cards. I use them in my sessions. I know that it's like, I know you might think that it's a little cheesy or whatever. He believes in cards, but they seem to be, in a metaphorical way, a really good tool to help people understand things about themselves. I do respect tarot cards. They have solid archetypes in the tarot cards. They have the Fool, and the Magician, and the Empress, you know, all the stuff. The Ten of Cups. You never want to disrespect the spirit world. The oracle cards, it's a little bit easier. I feel like it's a little bit more playful. Tarot cards. I'm gonna go now to the waterfall. I feel like nature is a smart choice to make, even if it's in a rooster. Short amount of time. You wanna see the worst shoes in the world? Look at these, although I like them. They're messy and dirty, and my girlfriend says I should get new ones. I'm somewhat presentable, but would you go out with this hair? I don't think so. Anyhow, I'm now gonna take my motorbike, which has some damage on it that needs to be fixed. Look, have you ever seen anything like this before? You know what I mean? Towel. Instead of going to the waterfall, gotta open up the garage every time. Forgot the key. They were in the door. So here's the path. The hair's still puffy. I don't know if I believe in all this stuff, you know? But a lot of people here live like it's the real thing. And going to the waterfall, which is where I'm going in nature, the waterfall is a good place to cleanse yourself. Like, even if it's not like spiritually real, not everybody needs to believe in that. There's some kind of a state shift that occurs. Like when the cold water hits your head from the waterfall. It's like a massage, but it's also painful. A little bit scary until you get used to it. But when you get used to it, that feeling starts to be synonymous, associated to a sense of cleansing, of washing off. And there's, on an energetic level, an energetic twist that happens too, because, well, if you're getting roughly massaged by water for a long time, you're going to feel differently. So as I'm walking in the mud with the shoes, you can see the river below from here. Can you see it? The brown river Nile. It's like chocolate milk. I don't drink chocolate milk. I don't even like cacao. People here in Ubud love cacao. Cacao ceremony time, I'm not so into it, but I do understand that it's stimulating. It's like an aphrodisiac. Maybe I need some more. That looks like a 25,000. Okay, there's the dog. Just 50, give me 50. Just 50. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
He doesn't even know, but I paid him twice. Why does he need to know? So this way, I think he said, is to like temple. See the stairs? This is temple. Waterfall. No, that way. Waterfall. No, this way. Yeah. I don't know what he's talking about. Can you believe that I'm wearing my hair like this? Here it goes. You can tell it's scary, it's steep. What a disaster. The journey itself is cleansing because I'm not just sitting at home on YouTube and watching. I'm a little bit creating by filming this, but I'm also creating by going to the waterfall. That's a cleanse. It's an energetic shift. Are important. I don't know why, but it feels like it creates an understanding in the mind. Ooh, I'm a little woozy. Look at this doorway. My hair now is after the wetness, but look at this doorway, like in the middle of the jungle. Like, do you think this is a Tartarian building after the mud floods? Look at this. Probably not. But what I can say is there is this beautiful ritual of walking through the door. Walking through the door. I feel brand new now. Also the waterfall. That is really allowing for energetic gateways to affect you, to shift you. Even if it's not real. Like, it might not be real. It might just be like a crazy thing that I'm just like making up, like Harry Potter, like a fairy tale. Still got a little cough, clearing the mucus out. Might not be real. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. I choose for it to cleanse me and wash me and open up new energetic portals for me. Might not be real.